Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel NutriNook. In this channel, we talk about various health-related topics that will concern you if you want to live a healthy life. So keep watching our videos. And also, a request to please subscribe to our channel for more health-related future videos.
Hello and welcome to our NutriNook channel, the place where we make sense of health and wellness one bite at a time. I'm excited to have you here. Today we're diving into one of the most fundamental pillars of a long, happy, and energetic life: nutrition. You see, it's not just about eating to silence a growling stomach, it's about giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. Did you know that small, consistent dietary choices can transform not only your physical health, but also your mental clarity, energy levels, and longevity? We're talking about feeling lighter, sharper, and more alive. And the best part? Making these changes isn't about deprivation. It's about discovering delicious, wholesome foods that nourish your body and taste amazing. Stick with us as we unravel the secrets of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. Let's get one thing straight. Nutrition isn't about fitting into those skinny jeans or looking good for the gram. It's so much bigger than that. Imagine your body as a high-performance sports car. You wouldn't put just any fuel in it, right? You'd want the premium stuff, the kind that optimizes its power and keeps the engine purring. That's exactly what proper nutrition does for your body. It provides the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, the premium fuel, that keep you running smoothly. We're talking about maintaining steady energy levels throughout the day, boosting your immune system to fight off those pesky colds, and even reducing the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart conditions. Think of it this way. Studies have shown that a balanced diet could potentially add years to your life while making those years healthier and more vibrant. Who wouldn't want that? Now let's break down what a truly nourishing diet looks like. It's not about complicated rules or restrictive fads. It's about simple, wholesome foods that our ancestors thrived on for centuries. Think of your plate as a rainbow. Fill it up with a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Nature's candy. These are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, which are like superheroes for your gut and overall health. Next up, we've got our protein powerhouses. Lean meats, fish, beans, lentils, tofu. These are the building blocks for strong muscles, healthy hormones, and a sharp mind. Don't forget those complex carbohydrates from whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. These are your body's primary source of energy, keeping your blood sugar levels stable and preventing those dreaded energy crashes. And lastly, don't fear healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil. These are essential for brain function, heart health, and even glowing skin. Remember, it's all about balance. Here's the thing. Our bodies are incredibly resilient, but they're not invincible. Just like a car can't run on fumes, neglecting your nutrition will eventually catch up to you. Think about it. How do you feel after a day of indulging in sugary drinks and processed snacks? Sluggish? Foggy-headed? Irritable? That's your body sending you a signal. Consistently fueling your body with low-nutrient foods can lead to a weakened immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. It can disrupt your energy levels, leaving you feeling drained and demotivated. And over time, it can increase the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. But here's the good news. It's never too late to make a change. Even small, positive shifts in your diet can have a ripple effect on your health and well-being. Okay, enough with the scary stuff. Let's talk about how to actually make healthy eating a part of your life without turning into a gourmet chef or spending your life savings on fancy ingredients. First things first, plan your meals. This doesn't have to be complicated. Just think about what you'll be eating throughout the day and make sure to include a good balance of protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Next, become a master of portion control. Overeating, even healthy foods, can stress your digestive system and lead to weight gain. Listen to your body and eat until you're satisfied, not stuffed. And don't forget to add some excitement to your plate. Experiment with new recipes, try different spices, and explore the wonderful world of fruits and vegetables. Eating healthy shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be an adventure for your taste buds. Lastly, be mindful of processed foods. They might be convenient, but they're often loaded with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients that your body doesn't know what to do with. Stick to whole, natural options whenever possible, and your body will thank you for it. Let's clear the air about some common nutrition myths, shall we? First up, are all carbs the enemy? Absolutely not. Complex carbs like those found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are your body's primary energy source and are crucial for gut health. It's the refined carbs like white bread and sugary drinks that you should be mindful of. Next myth, all fats are bad for you. Nope. Remember those healthy fats we talked about? They're essential for hormone production, brain function, and heart health. The key is to choose unsaturated fats over saturated and trans fats. And finally, detox teas and cleanses are the key to weight loss. Wrong. Your body has its own built-in detoxification system, your liver and kidneys. Focus on nourishing your body with whole foods, and you won't need any quick fixes. Thank you for staying till the end. Nutrition is a journey, not a one-day fix. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, every healthy bite is a step towards a better you. Listen to your body, nourish it with wholesome foods, and enjoy the incredible transformation that unfolds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more expert tips on living your healthiest life. We're in this together.